Imagine you're standing in an open field watching a group of fireflies at night. At first, they all seem clustered together, but as time passes, you notice something strange. The fireflies are gradually moving apart from each other. The ones closest to you drift away slowly, while those farther away appear to move faster until the most distant ones blink out of sight entirely. This is remarkably similar to how astronomers observe galaxies moving apart in our expanding universe. The discovery of cosmic expansion began much like noticing those drifting fireflies. In the 1920s, Edwin Hubble made a groundbreaking observation using the powerful telescope at Mount Wilson Observatory. He noticed that galaxies weren't just floating in space. They were systematically moving away from us, with more distant galaxies receding faster. This was like realizing that all the fireflies in our field were moving apart in a very specific pattern. We can measure this expansion using what's called the Hubble constant, which tells us that for every 3.26 million light-years of distance, space itself stretches by about 70 kilometers every second. This expansion has mind-bending consequences for our understanding of the universe. The light from extremely distant galaxies is stretched as it travels through expanding space, much like how the sound of a passing ambulance siren drops in pitch as it moves away from you. Astronomers call this redshift, and it's one of our most important tools for measuring cosmic distances. But here's where things get really strange. The most distant galaxies we can see are already so far away that their light has taken billions of years to reach us. During that time, the space between us has continued to stretch. It's like trying to run up an escalator that's moving downward. Even as light races toward us at 300,000 kilometers per second, the expanding space makes the journey take longer and longer. Recent discoveries have shown that this expansion isn't just continuing, it's actually accelerating. Imagine our fireflies suddenly started moving apart faster and faster over time, as if some invisible forces were pushing them. Scientists call this mysterious force dark energy, and it makes up about 68% of all the energy in the universe, yet we still don't fully understand what it is. These concepts challenge our everyday experiences, where objects always move through space rather than space itself changing. But just as Einstein showed us that time is relative and gravity bends space, the expanding universe reveals that space itself is dynamic and evolving. As we continue to study cosmic expansion, we're not just learning about the universe's size, we're uncovering fundamental truths about the very nature of reality.